Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame because I just need to point out that the monthly, daily, and weekly is definitely still in an uptrend. We are right around the 78% Fib too, and we haven't really made a significant pullback in that area yet. Today is non-farm payroll day, and tomorrow is a big bank holiday for the US. So today we could get some nice moves. Tomorrow is very likely going to be almost no movement in the market. I definitely agree with anybody that thinks that it should potentially go down and at least make a pullback to this wave right here and maybe even turn into a bigger move than that if it really is a complete five-way pattern to the upside. The only problem I have with that is the fact that the daily, weekly, monthly is in an uptrend, and I really do not like trading against a trend, at least until I get some proof. Because on the 1 hour time frame, if I've just spent the last several weeks, which I've been telling you guys for several weeks now, to do nothing but look for logs in an uptrend, then you definitely would have had some very, very profitable trades. I could almost picture today being a little bit of a trap. I could picture it going down, maybe even breaking out, causing people to go short, and then later on just reversing back up. Because the trend is definitely up on every single higher time frame. I think there's a very good likelihood that the euro dollar will make a move down, but today's non-farm payroll news could be a little bit of a trap, and maybe next week it'll go out, make a double top, and then continue back down. Either way, we have to be a little bit cautious with our shorts because the trend is definitely still up on all higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.